Well, good morning and welcome to sunny Devon. I'm here on my Triumph Trophy and I thought it's a beautiful day, so I'm going to go for a little bit of a ride and bring you along with me. And I found out there is a gorgeous little river, so I might just go for a quick dip. Come and join me. So the roads around rural Devon are notoriously twisty and turny, which makes great, exciting motorcycle riding. You have to watch out for the occasional passing cow crossing across your path, and sometimes there's even grass growing up in the middle of the road. So watch this space. So if you like it tight, dirty and with plenty of bush, this is a ride for you. Keep watching. Okay, here we go. So I'm heading to a place called Denham Bridge, which I think will be a great swimming spot. And it's really hot today. It's actually forecast to be about 30 degrees, so should be perfect for a bit of a splash. So there's plenty of gaps along the road here, so lots of opportunities to pull in if a car is coming, but you have to keep an eye on them and make sure you know where they are in advance. Looking forward to getting the girls out and a bit of a refreshing swim because it's super warm in this jacket. Oh, let's see what these guys do. Thank you. This is an interesting hairpin bend coming up. Take it slow. Oh, beautiful house at the bottom there. Oh, how gorgeous is that? The mill house. Right, I'm going to find a place to park. There's a few cars here. Oh, beautiful. A few cars here. This looks like an absolutely gorgeous spot to do a little bit of wild swimming. It's a super hot day today, in fact about 30 degrees, so I really need to cool off. Time to strip off a few of the outer layers. Look at this place, isn't it gorgeous? It looks so inviting. I'm going in! So, travelling around on my motorbike means that I'm a bit short of space and I just could not squeeze my bikini in. But, oh well, just going to have to whip my trousers off and go in as I am. And maybe my top later as well. YouTubers, I'm going to have to heavily edit this one, but you can come and see the rest of me on fanvue. Excuse me a second. Right, let's go. I don't know how chilly this is going to be, but I'll see how I get on. Oh, that's cold. The water is beautifully clear here though. And these pebbles are a little bit slippery, so I'm going to have to take the time. This is gorgeous. Right, well, I'm in the shallows, but I'm going to have to go a bit deeper. And the way I'm walking looks like I've had 3 pints of the local scrumpy cider already. Honestly, I haven't. Oh. Okay, this is the perfect spot for cooling off after a hot ride on the motorbike. I might have to have a dip. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I'm feeling very brave. It's alright once you're in, so they say. Oh. Now I've just spotted a rope swing over there, and for those of you that have seen my French video when I went to a gorgeous gorge, I had a great fun on that, so I might have to give it another go. Although this one looks a little bit trickier because there's nowhere to sit. Anyway, come on, let's give it a try. don't know how much wildlife there is here, although I have just spotted a few little fish in the water nibbling at my feet, so as long as they're not piranhas, I should be okay. Seems like fish have fetishes too. Fetish fish. Fish fetish. That's hard to say. Oh, I'm off. Okay, I'm going to head over to the swing. Can't resist. Oh, just can't beat a bit of wild swimming and a bit of crazy swinging. All right, let's grab it and give it a go. Right, now, can't guarantee my swinging technique because I'm just a beginner. Let's have a go. Okay, I hope you guys are all prepared for my Tarzan technique. Hopefully this rope will hold. Don't want to pull the tree down on top of myself. Grab hold of the knot and do you want about it? Oh, well, that wasn't exactly speedy, but let's give it another try. Well, the Tarzan technique didn't work particularly well. Maybe Jane, maybe she was better at it. Bit of a run up perhaps. Oh, it's a little bit better. I definitely need a little bit of wood, or even a big bit, to sit on. That would help, I reckon. No wood to be found. Never mind, I'll make the best of it. Okay, now I'm going to get really daring, just for you. I'm going to try some Olympic style swinging. Wish me luck. This could end in tears. Well, I caused a big splash. Okay, I think what is needed is a little bit of extra height. Hang on a second. Just for you, I'm going to try some Olympic style swinging. What could possibly go wrong? That seemed to work a bit better. Oh. Not quite sure how to get off this now. Oh. Well, I nearly lost my pants. Oh, that was a lot of fun. I think I need to build my arm muscles up a little bit. It's quite hard gripping hold of that rope, but time to head back to the shallows. I might have got the swinging perfected, but I can't walk very well. These pebbles are really tricky. Oh, I'm quite exhausted after all those shenanigans. Time to relax and have a spot of lunch, I think. This is really gorgeous. I'm going to spend all day here. Don't really want to get back on that motorbike. Oh dear. Right, see if I can get back to shore without falling over a million times. Somehow I've got to get this stuff dry before I get back on the bike too. Okay, do well. Well, that was a lot of fun, but as I say, all good things must come to an end. Time for me to get dry now and hop back on that motorbike and continue on my journey. I hope you enjoyed my little wild swim adventure. If you did, I'm Bonnie English. Please like and subscribe. See you again soon.